What's up, guys? And we're still in the middle of the crypto bull run. And today I want to talk about one of the most important subjects in financial markets, and that is capital. Specifically to those of you who might be good traders already, you're a good trader and you are able to actually make money, you're profitable, but your capital is very tiny. And you know that only if you had more access to a lot more capital, you'd be making more money. And you have seen me trade here with like different accounts from 10, 20K to 100K or some other accounts as well. And one of the comments that I keep seeing whenever I'm posting my P&Ls, people are like, oh, well, but you do it because you have more capital. If I had the same capital as you, I would be making as much money as well, if not more. So today I want to talk about the first ever crypto PropFirm in the world, because this is a concept that has been around in the forex market for a long time, but in crypto it never really existed. So today I will introduce you to HashHedge, which is a prop firm, but most importantly I'm also going to explain how it works and how you can take advantage of it. So HashHedge is a prop firm, and basically what it does, it's a company that has a lot of capital, and their goal is to find traders that are really good, and then they give money to those traders. And when you make money as a trader, you will be able to share profits with HashHedge. They will take 20% only, you take 80%, which means if you make $100,000 in profit, you take $80,000 home and you give them $20,000 because they provided you the capital. Now, this is something that has been around in forex and stocks for a long time, but in crypto, it has never been there. So this is the website. Just make sure if you're going to sign up on it, use my link in the description, but also there's my link in bio on Instagram or on Twitter. Click on that and it will take you to the platform. But basically the way it works is this. This is the challenge method that they have, which means you need to buy a challenge to prove that you can trade. And then the challenge is like, depending on how much money, how much capital you're looking for, you'd have to apply for the capital through the challenge. So there's $5,000, $10,000, 25, 50K, and 100K all the way to the moon. And the way it works, stage one is that you have to take the challenge, and there are clear rules for what you should be able to do to pass the challenge. For example, let's say you're gonna inside it looks like this once you sign up, and you simply go to new challenge, and then you pick which challenge that you want. And again, you need to understand the rules for each one of these challenges. It's relatively the same. You basically you have a target profit of 8%, like here, and maximum loss per day 5%. So if you signed up for this 100K challenge, then you're not allowed to lose more than $5,000 per day. And you have a target profit of 8%. The good thing about it is that the crypto prop firm seems to be much better than the Forex ones, because this one, HashHedge specifically, does not have an expiry date. Most prop firm will tell you that, oh, you need to be able to do this within 1 week. HashHedge does not do that. They just leave you to infinity. Whenever you will be able to complete it, you will get access to your capital. So you got maximum drawdown of 10%. So you should not be down by 10% on the overall portfolio. And minimum trading days, 5 days. So at least you need to trade a minimum of 5 days. And then maximum leverage is 5x max across all the stages. So stage one, you got these metrics. Stage two, these metrics. And stage three is now you have the funds in your account, you're trading, and you don't have a cap on the profit. Obviously, you can make as much money as possible, as much money as needed whatsoever. But the leverage is the same. So let's say you take a 100K challenge, then you simply have to, you buy it for $7.99, but you get 20% if you use my link or use my code, GRAYBTC. You get 30%, 20 or 30% discount. And then after that, you're basically ready to get it cranking. A lot of people are using this prop firm right now. And if you want to use it, I would suggest you subscribe right now, because before it gets oversubscribed and it gets oversaturated, it's still sort of like a hidden secret in crypto right now. And Let me just make an example of signing up for one. Let's see. So I'll take the legend. Okay, the problem is that I have to put all my information here, so I will not complete. But basically, you put your first name, last name, region where you're from, your city, your email address, place order, and you pay with crypto with USDT. So if you have USDT on Binance, on Bybit, or in your Trust wallet, you basically just scan your computer. Let's see, without the name, does it work? Oh, yeah, it actually. Oh, no, I need to provide an email address. Okay, but I've done it before. I've demonstrated this on my live streams already. I just didn't make an official video of how it works just yet. But that's basically it. So if you're a good trader or you want to play around with this, one of the strategies you could do is to buy two challenges. One you go long and the other one you go short, because if one of them works, then you have enough capital to actually even make back whatever the account that you lost. Because if they give you $100,000 to trade with, but you only put $800, I mean, the odds are just much better that you have a much greater upside once you pass the challenge. And then after that, you just have to worry about your profits and make sure that you maintain your margin nicely, that you don't get liquidated. So I think this is an incredible opportunity, an incredible tool, an incredible system for someone who is serious about trading. They might not just have enough capital to go all in. And if you sign up and you're winning and you're making that money, let me know in the comments your experience with it and other ideas of what other videos I should talk about. But I think this was a very important video for so many of you out there that need to do this, because you can do it at different stages. Even $50 will give you $5,000 capital, and so on and so forth. Or $100 here will get you 10K, and so on and so forth. And the good thing about it, the trading engine uses the same order books of Binance. So they're not actually using their own order books where you're like, oh, but I'm not too sure what kind of order books are they using, and do they control the order books? No, they use they mirror the same order books on Binance and liquidity, so that you don't have to worry about, okay, where is the strike price coming from and where are all this data coming from? They literally index Binance prices, which is the best in the market, right? Coinbase and Binance prices and data is the most reliable. All right, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and let me know how it goes. For the rest of you, I'll see you tonight on the live stream where we will be trading live together in the trenches. Subscribe and like the video. Stay awesome.